Hello and Namaste everyone. Welcome to my channel DIY with Zini after a long break. I hope you all are doing really great. I'm back from Disneyland, but my fever of Disney is still there. So I decided to share some Disney themed DIYs this month. So if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe for latest videos. Now today I'm sharing DIY Disney themed nail art. Also, this is my first time doing nail art. So if I can do it, I'm sure anyone can. Now let's get started. You will need gold, red, black, white and yellow nail paints and some nail art tools. If you don't have these, then you can also use some toothpicks or paintbrush to achieve similar results. Now I already applied base coat and colors, or else this video will be too long. Here I am using round end of paintbrush to draw a circle for Mickey's head. Now I am using round tool to draw ears. And our Mickey design is ready. Next, I am using a brush to draw a large black tip. Then I am drawing classic Mickey's yellow buttons with round tool. Next, I am drawing some polka dots with round tool to represent Minnie. Then apply a top coat and you are ready to flaunt your love for Disney. I hope you liked this video. If you recreate this nail art, then please share pictures with me on Instagram with #DIY with Zini. I would love to see them. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also click on the bell icon so that you can get notifications for my next video. For more inspiration, I handpicked these two videos for you. Have a magical day. Happy crafting!